Hi guys, hi, how are you all? So I hope that you guys are able to hear me right now. So please tell me in the chat if you are able to hear me up, all clear, yes or no. So this is Sai Kiran from LetsUpgrade, and I hope that you guys are able to hear me. Full Python rowdies. Okay, so right, yes. Okay, so now this is Sai Kiran. Still, my cold is not gone, but okay, fine, TK. It's totally fine, guys. By the way, how are you all? From where all you guys joining till like fourth day of Python? So please tell me in the chat. कहाँ से join कर रहे हो बताओ? Tell me in the chat where all you guys are joining from. Okay. So I have got. Can we submit yesterday's assignment today? Not only today, you can submit it till 5 more days are there. Before the program deadline, you can submit it. Okay. Namaste Guruji, love from Haryana. Are hi Himanshu, hi, namaste. I have got Bhavnagar, Gujarat. I have been into Bhavnagar, by the way. Lucknow, my friend is from Andheri. We have got one campus in Andheri. संगनामेर आई डोंट नो यार वेयर दिस इज सोहेल ईमानदार आई डोंट नो यार ये कहाँ पे है निज़ामाबाद ओके निज़ामाबाद इट इज़ it's near in Hyderabad I know this and Salem I know New Delhi I know Uttarakhand I know okay got it chalo now Warsaw, Poland. I don't know Poland, yeah, bro. I mean Warsaw. I actually don't know. Indra is like, sir, I didn't really understand the assignment, how to do it. Okay, so yesterday's assignment was very simple thing. It was not so difficult. Every one of you, just to be very clear to all the people, it was not at all difficult at all. It was fairly simple assignment yesterday's. Yesterday's assignment was print prime numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are only divisible by itself and by itself. That's it. Okay, nothing else. So that is the assignment. Now based on that assignment, I don't know how many of able to complete it, but all the people who certainly were not able to complete it, it's okay, it's totally fine. If you were not able to do it tomorrow, I have got plenty of time, so I can do it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and understand our today's class. What all things do we have today to finish? Let's just check our curriculum and take this thing ahead. So are you able to see my screen right now? Please give me a heads up, yes or a no, in the chat if you are able to see my screen. So I hope that you guys should be able to see my screen right now. So if I just refresh this, okay, so it's still there is a problem that this is not yet fixed. Okay, even today you guys will have one assignment. आज भी एक assignment रहेगा. Today there will be one assignment question which I'll give you. So watch on YouTube. I'm doing एक assignment रहेगा today. I've just paused it. Okay, but fine. So you have got in the description you have this particular one link. Okay. So as soon as you click this particular one link, what is going to happen is that you should see one web app. Okay, and in that web app you should be able to mark your attendance day September 2nd. Okay, so here September 2nd it is, and mark attendance. Now give me a 10 out of 10 if you guys are actually liking my class, because if you guys don't give me 10 on 10, I will not be one of the best faculties at LetsUpgrade. If you guys really think I'm one of the best faculty, then actually 10 on 10 is what I expect from you all. Then are you guys interested in joining 6 months long LetsUpgrade full stack program, which is a part of, like, if you want to become a full stack web developer or a data scientist, you should be saying a yes here. And if you want me to improve on anything, so please give me that. I think nothing is there to improve, so I've submitted my assignment. Okay, so I've submitted my attendance. Now I refresh this. My score is near about 66. Sorry yaar, what all things I'm doing in front of camera, but I'm legit facing with cold, so from like last 1 week, and it is developing from last 1 week. It's like that. Okay. So today, let's start. Today's our topic is modular programming with Python. Then I have got also file handling. Then I have got modules and packages. Okay. So today, your webcam is not visible. हाँ यार, मेरा webcam को क्या हो गया? What happened to my webcam, by the way? Shit, man. Okay. I'm sorry, my webcam was not visible. अभी ठीक है? Now you guys are able to see me. I was not able to actually check that thing. Okay, done. So now these are the things which we need to do for getting our what we say, this particular attendance marked. Now today's our agenda is like methods and function, function, modules and PIP. Okay, and file handling. Okay, let's start with the file handling part first. Okay, we'll start with file handling first. So what is file handling? What is file handling, by the way? Can you guys please tell me right now? Where do we use file handling? अपन सब लोग file handling कहाँ use करते हैं बताओगे सब लोग? Can you guys please mention it in the chat right now? Where do we guys actually use file handling? Can you guys please tell me? I'm still looking into your answer right now. I'm still yet to see your answers coming in. It is meant actually for reading and writing purpose. You are exactly right. So start with file handling, why, how, and what. Okay, so file handling is generally used for storing your data or creating a new file to store data. Okay, storing your data in a new file, or like storing the data in our previous file, wherever, but basically to store data for us to retrieve it even after we start our computers after n number of nth time. For example, you all know, every one of you know that the computer works on RAM principle. What do you mean by RAM? There is a RAM, there is a ROM. RAM is a temporary memory, ROM is a permanent memory. So files are basically made, they are a collection of data which is to be stored for long-term basis or permanent basis in the ROM. So there we use file handling. So files are generally created for long-term purpose, and so that's where we guys are learning right now, file handling. Why do I have only 150 students today? What is going so wrong with my class that only 150 are there? Only 150 are there. So is there any problem in my teaching or something, or what? Did you guys didn't receive your reminders and all? I don't know what went wrong, but I have just got 150 students live. ये तो कैसे हो सकता है? I'm still thinking. It's fine. How file handling happens? So there are 5 major operations that can be performed on a file. Creation of a file, opening an existing file, reading data from a file, writing data in a file, and closing a file. Okay, so these are our general 5-step process for file handling. Creation of a file, opening an existing file, reading data from a file, writing data to that file, and closing a file. Okay, clear hai? Sorted? Is it fine? Okay, is it okay? I mean, is it okay? Are you guys with me? I mean, कहाँ पे हो यार? हाँ समझ में आ रहा, नहीं आ रहा, क्या है? Like सब लोग हो? Are you guys able to understand what I'm saying? समझ में आ रहा है? Are you guys able to understand what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, I can see now answers. Sachin bhai padel Clash of Clans खेल रहा. Okay, got it. Fine, ठीक है. So creation of file, opening an existing file. Okay. Now now Python 2 supports file handling, and Python supports file handling in these 4 different modes. Okay, R is for reading, W is for writing, A is for appending, R plus is both reading and writing. Okay, that is the That is the basic things. Okay, you will understand even more complex stuff. Let's now get started with creating a file. Okay, how to create a file and open a file again and read it from there. So let's just go ahead and start creating a file. Okay, so the very first part which we have is file equal to, so see, there is no file as of right now here. As of right now there is no file equal to open. I need to give file name. Let me just give the file name as day4.txt, and I want to open this file in R mode, or let's say I want to open this in W mode. Okay, so fine. Now what I'll do, file dot write, WRIT, write. I want to write something here. Let's say I have got 179 people in my class. Okay, then I will say file dot close. Sorry. Okay, I'll just run this thing. So here, after some time, yeah, you should have your file. आपका फाइल आना चाहिए. Yeah, I exactly don't know where this is being stored. I actually don't know where this is stored. I'm lost basically. Okay, let me just refresh and okay, I'm just trying to do refresh. Just give me 1 minute. So see, day4.txt is here. I actually don't know where is this. ये path क्या है इसका? I'll dig that thing later. But when you open day4.txt, you're seeing what I have got 179 people in my class. See, this file is now stored. What is that code which we were using? The code which we wrote is very simple. We did write is very simple. File open, then file open day4.txt in W mode. I have got 179 people. Now it is 200 people. So let me update it to 200. Okay, I'll run this again. So as soon as I'm done, if I again open this, it will say I have got 200 people. Is it clear? Writing a file is clear. Now reading the same data from the file is now going to be a challenge. Okay, okay guys, clear? Are we guys clear? A yes or a no? So please tell me in the chat. What are we learning today? We are learning today file handling, guys. The first thing, file handling. It's already 12 minutes and you've started learning file handling. File handling is used basically to store data for permanent basis in your computer. And I've just taught you how you can open a file and in a W mode, that is write mode, and then write something and save it. Okay, now I will again open the file, but this time I will open it in read mode. Okay, day4.txt. Okay, and this time I'm opening it in read mode, R. File dot read. Okay, now whatever this text is, right, some text, whatever text is written, it will be, this is the variable name to store the data from file read. Now I will print some text. This some text is the variable name which is getting data from file.read. Now I'm just doing file.close. Okay, so now see, it is printing I have got 200 people in my class is the answer. Okay, is the output. Now what if I want to append this file? What if I want to append means I want to add something at the end of this file. I don't want to modify it totally. I don't want to overwrite. I want to append. What is the meaning of append and overwrite? You guys know it, right? Overwrite means completely overwriting. Instead of 200, as soon as if I write 213 right now, and if I overwrite, only 213 will be there. But instead of this, if I want to actually if I want to actually write down how many people are joining at what time, what will I do? Now for example, I have got 220 people, so file is equal to open. Inside open, I have got day4.txt, okay, and I am writing down a mode. A is for append, okay. Now in this append mode, file.write, what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and I'll write down this is special character. This special character is used for typing a new line, and I'm just writing here, now I have 220 people, okay, 220 people, okay. Then what I'll do, file.close, that's it. Now again, how to read, I'll just copy the same code and I'll paste it here, okay. Now what will be the output? The output will be, see, now output is 2 lines. First I had 213 people, now now we have 220 people. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Every one of you, please tell me in the chat. Okay. So this \n was nothing just but a special character which prints new line. That is basically enter. Okay. Is it clear? Please tell me in the chat. Okay. So this is easy. Yes, this is easy, right? Yep, na? Okay. So that's it. You just practice this. This is file handling, nothing else. Okay, there are few certain modes of file handling like A plus, R plus, W plus. What are those? You need to tell me in the chat. Okay, there are 3-4 other modes of file handling, A plus, R plus and W plus. So you need to go ahead and check that and give me that answer in the chat. Okay, clear? Sorted? Okay. Now let's just move on to the functions part. Okay, functions. Now functions is one of the major concept in Python or any programming language. Wherever you want to make your programming language modular programming language. Okay, modular programming language. Now what do you mean by modular? Okay, so we all know what we actually mean by modular. So let me just write down modular, not set, modular. Okay, this is exactly the image I was thinking in my mind. Okay, so see, they are making a foolproof they are making a foolproof building with the help of modular structure. So they are just placing this structure one by one, and they're building a full building out of it. Yes or no? Clear? Sorted? So like this, we have one more stuff, that is modular KITs, modular kitchen. Okay, in our house we have got this modular kitchens and all. So basically these are nothing just but shelves and all which are fit after the furnishing is done. Sorry, after like once the kitchen is ready, the out skeleton is ready, then you furnish it with this modular setup, right? So this is basically when you want to, okay, whenever you want your particular function to have certain code blocks, okay, specific code blocks to be reused. Okay, functions are made for specific code blocks to be reused. Are we clear? Please tell me in the chat. Okay, please tell me in the chat, every one of you. Write down what is the definition of functions. Okay, functions are basically code blocks which are used for which are basically used for reusing the code, okay, again and again. We don't have to write it every point of time, okay, every time. Okay, now let's just go ahead one step. Okay, so for example, let us see how modular program is in our real life. Okay, You all know even number, odd number. We all know even number and odd number. Leave even number, odd number. I want to do very simple thing. I want to write down a simple essay, a simple greeting card. I want to print a greeting card. Okay, a greeting card saying that like, hey dash dash dash, I am Sai from LU. I want to invite you to be my chief guest of something, chief guest of XYZ day, and with the help with same, I mean NAME name. Okay, let me write down NAME name. Okay, name PRESS presents, it will be super glorified. Okay, so I request name to be there. Okay, it is a message something like this. Okay, it's a message something like this. Now if I want to print this greeting card with 100 people name, what I will do, I will use the same text, but I'll just fill in the blanks with the name, right? And if I want to do it with the help of program, what I'll do, first I will get all the names. Okay, first I will get all the like, instead of, if I have to actually do it without the help of functions, what I'll do, I'll just take this and I'll remove all the things, and I'll put I'll actually take or remove all the comments, and I'll go ahead and have it in this, and I will write down print statement, print. Okay, so ऐसे ही करेंगे, that's what we will do. Huh? That's what actually we will do. So see, hey something something something, it is getting printed like this. But if I actually wanted, and let me just break it into some new lines. What to do to get new lines? You need to put /n. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको कि ऊपर से जा रहा है? Okay, if I have to print these name, instead of this, if I have to print few people name, अगर थोड़े लोगों के नाम डालना है तो ज़रा नाम दो. Give me few names here. PRABHU, Prabhu. If I have to write down Prabhu like so many times, it is so tiring job, right? It is so tiring job to like change each person's name every time and then print it. So see, Prabhu everywhere. Now if I want to do it with the help of a function, how I will do it? Okay, so let's just see. So the syntax for defining, now first of all, do you agree that copy pasting the same thing is the idiotic thing? We should not do it. Okay, do you guys, are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Yes or no? Are you guys with me? I will actually use your names, by the way, so I'll 100% use your names. Just give me 1 minute. But are you guys with me? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, so that यार बार नहीं, same चीज लिखना is irritating, right? We all will get frustrated. I'll give you the best example. All of you got credit card का call, right? Every one of you got a credit card call, like, sir credit card ले लो. The person who is going to call so many customers in a day, it's their day job. Think how frustrating they should feel. Okay, how frustrated they would be feeling, right, to call so many people every day. It's one of the such examples which actually sits here. If we don't have functions in our life, we need someone to do that kind of job. Okay, to write so many lines of code every time, it will be so idiotic. So now we have functions here. Okay, so how to, before writing function, let me just write down a few names. Few names like Shiv, SHIV, Shiv is there. Few names like, I remember here getting Rohit, ROHIT. Okay, I have again Aditya Dev. Then I have got okay, I have got Priscilla. Priscilla, I don't know Priscilla, but yeah. Let's write down प्रिया. एक बच्चे ने मस्त लव यू सर लिखा है, लेजेंडरी. आई गॉट यू ब्रो, यू वांटेड दिस थिंग, बट या अंशु. Okay, so let's take few names. Oh shit. LST equal to, okay, LST equal to this. Okay, now LST is having this particular names. Good. Now I'm writing a function def. Okay, how to write a function? This is the syntax of a function. ये syntax है function का. def. Okay, are you guys with me? def greetings. This is the function name. Okay, this part is the function name. Let me just write down function name. Okay, function name. And then what you will do, you have to put a semicolon, colon, and you will see there is a space. That space is why that space is there. What is that space known as? ये space का मतलब क्या है बताओ. Okay, what is the meaning of this particular space? What is the meaning of this particular space? Sahil is right. Okay, so Firoz is right. Yes, Priyashi Tyagi is right. Sajina is also right. Every one of you are right. Yeah, good. It is known as indentation. Okay, so it is basically to differentiate the parent block and the child block. Now I am writing down print. Okay, whatever that message was, this big message, I will actually paste it here. And instead of Prabhu, what I'll do, I will take a parameter. What is the parameter? The parameter is name. Okay, and wherever I want to actually insert that name, right, what I'll do, I will just write here like name, and I will remove Prabhu. एक जगह हो गया. दूसरी जगह भी name, और एक और तीसरी जगह है. This is the third place. Okay, right, done. So 3 places done. Okay, what happened? Okay, I think we have got a end of line problem. Okay, now it is solved. Okay, so that's it, clear. Now what we will do, very simple, for I in LST, okay, not def, function name, whatever the function name was, in that you need to pass I. Now what is I? I is basically your temporary variable to store all the names one by one. Now as soon as you do this, oh shit man, this is printing all. Hey Shiv, I am Sai from LU. I want to invite you to be my chief guest of XYZ day. With Shiv presence, it will be super glorified. So I request Shiv to be there. Hey Rohit, hey this, hey Aditya Dev, hey Priscilla, hey Priya, hey Anshu. Got it? SHU it is. It should be SHU. Okay. So see, it is working fine. I mean, it's totally working fine, right? You need ending space, by the way. You just need ending one letter space. Got it? Done. So it's totally working. Okay. So why comma is used before and after this thing? So see, whenever you want to pass multiple parameters in print, right? Whenever you want, for example, print hello world, this is single line print. Okay, this is only one parameter which is being passed in print statement. Okay, if you want to print one more thing, that is bottle. Okay, then if you want to print iPad, few names, so this will actually print like one. Okay, so you can pass as many items as you want with comma. Are you guys clear? Clear hai? Sorted hai? Done hai? Can I go ahead? Can I with can I actually go ahead with this thing? Okay, so see, ho gaya na? Done na? Okay, so def function name. Now today's your homework. Okay, before giving today's assignment, let me go ahead. Okay, let me go ahead. Now we are done with at least basic function. Now one step ahead. Okay, एक step आगे जाते हैं. How to return some value, how to return some value from function. Okay, ये समझ में आया? पक्का समझ में आया? ये पक्का समझ में आया? Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? पक्का? Sure? Can I go ahead? Okay, sure, can I go ahead? I'm actually looking into your answer. There is a delay of 20 seconds between me asking and you guys listening to it because it's a live stream. So okay, done. So how to return some value from function? Now what is happening? This function is directly printing. This function is directly printing in the output. I don't want to print. I want to take it as a value and store it in some variable. Okay, if you want to return some kind of, can you explain topic again? Okay, Beriza, got you, bro. I will explain again one more time, but be patient. I'll start again. Okay, how to define a function? Let's do it again, and this time there will be a small twist. The small twist is that we will also return the value from the function instead of printing. Okay, I will tell you what is the difference. Okay, what is the difference I'm talking, I'll tell you. Okay, so programmer XD, I will repeat, just be there. Okay, so let's get multiplication of I'm just trying to understand one function ka nice example. Example is, write a function to find out if a given number is like simple, very simple, odd or even. Okay, clear? We will write a function to find out if a given number is odd or even. Is it clear? Okay, is it clear? Let's write down this fatafat se. Okay, DEF, first thing, this is DEF. Okay, palindrome or not, I can write it, Priscilla, but if I do it, people will actually get scared by it, the non-programmers. Okay, so DEF, first of all, can you guys please write down DEF in the chat so that I can see, yes, people are like confident. DEF is the keyword which is used to define a function. Now function name is odd or even, is odd or even. Now take some number. Okay, if, now what is the criteria for checking if a particular number is odd or even? It is divided by 2, yes or a no. If it is completely divisible by 2, then it's an even number, or else it's an odd number. Yes, agree with me? Okay, sure. Now instead of let's get started. Okay, that is the simple thing. Now if number, this is modulo operator. I will tell you what is modulo operator in a while, just be there. Print it's even, else print it's odd. Okay, okay, is odd or even. I will send 4. What is happening? It is saying that it's even number. Okay, if I send 5, it will say it's odd number. Okay, clear? Sorted? Okay, sure. Now what is this? Now people will ask, sir, what is this one line? ये एक line क्या है? Okay, ये एक line is nothing but, okay, if this is basically, I will write it in your language. Okay, 3 modulo 2. If you do, what we will get? It's basically a remainder operator. Okay, when you divide two different numbers together, whatever will be the remainder, that you will get. Okay, that you will get. Clear? So now here, if you do 9%2, it will say remainder is 1. So what I am doing, if remainder is equal to 0, 0, okay, if the remainder is equal to 0, 0, then it's a even number. else it's a odd number. Are we guys clear? Are we guys clear with this example, small example? Is it clear? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, hi Sparsh. After so many days, I'm no, I mean like after so much, the class started and now I'm seeing you in the chat. Okay, is it clear? Every one of you, is this logic clear? Even the most calm keeping guy, is it clear to you? If it is not, please tell me. I'm here to explain you again. Okay, so okay, so most of you guys are saying go ahead. So yeah, let's just go ahead. Is odd. Now instead of printing, I want to actually take it as this. Okay, I want to take it as some kind of value. So for example, I want to store it in a is equal to is odd or even 5. I want to store this particular, if I'll do a, nothing will be there. It's nothing. See, it is running, but it is not giving me any output because nothing is getting assigned. Nothing is getting assigned to this. I want this particular string to be assigned to the variable a. Okay, clear? Eh? Sir, I need another example. You need one more example? I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you that. Pramit Chandra is giving me an example in the chat. Good, Pramit. A is equal to is odd 5. It is not actually giving any kind of it is not assigning any kind of value to a, but I want to assign this particular sentence to a. So what I will do, I will just go ahead and I will modify to this program. How I will modify? I will modify it by, instead of print, I will just use return. Okay, I will replace this to return. Okay, clear? I have just replaced that print statement to return statement. Is it clear? Now let me run this. Run ho gaya. Now when I'll do a is equal to, okay, is odd even 5, it's not printing anything ASAP, but when I do a, it's actually storing this thing. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so is it clear, every one of you? I'm actually looking into the chat, by the way. Is it clear? So it's odd. Done, it's stored. So this is known as returning a value from a particular function. Okay, if you want to return some value from a function, you do it with the help of this. Are we guys clear? Okay, so write down return keyword in the chat so that I also know that yes, you all guys are very clear about return statement. Now one more example someone is saying. So let's do one more example. Write a function. Okay, write a function to convert rupees to dollar. Okay, what is the $1 equivalent? 79.32. okay, $1 equal to 79.32 rupees. Okay, shit man, 1 is equal to this, I can't do, so it is wrong technically. Okay, so now what I'll do, def, so how I will write, please tell me the function in the chat right now. Every one of you give me that function in the chat. Every one of you write down that function. Aditya Mehra already started writing that function in the chat. So write down def convert dollar, or like convert to rupee. Okay, and here I will take dollar value. Okay, and I am actually, okay, I'll do it later, but yeah, return, simple return dollar into 79.32. okay, so as soon as you do this, so all you have to basically do, b is equal a is equal to convert, okay, convert, and give $500. I basically paid 900 rupees Vimeo bill. So $900 Vimeo bill. How much did I pay? I paid 71,000 rupees last week. Legit, I paid 71,000 rupees for Vimeo account. Okay, this was the expense in rupees. Okay, so that's basically how you can actually do, how you can use return statement. Is it clear, by the way? Someone who was asking me a particular question in the chat, is it clear to you guys? Can we actually hit 300 students in this live class? Is it possible to hit 300 students in the live class? Because if I get 300 people, yesterday we were not able to achieve the target. Yesterday it was only 313 people. I checked after the live class. Okay, so so please, let's just go and hit 300. I will actually take your one more day extra if you hit 300. Okay, so clear, done. So now DEF part is done. But if there is one statement in Python, okay, if there is one thing known as, there is one function inbuilt in Python, which is help. You can write down help, and then you can basically pass anything to it. It will tell you what it does. So help, I will just pass our program name, convert to rupee. It will say what, help on function convert to rupee is a module in main. That's it. It takes dollar, something like that it is saying. But it is not giving me any other value. If I want to actually print something, जब कभी भी आप अटक जाते हो ना programming में, whenever you are stuck in programming in Python, you use this help keyword or help method. Is it clear? We use help method whenever we are stuck. But whenever a person is doing help and putting our program name, putting our function's name, there is nothing much actually showing up here. So we need to give some information. So what am I going? I'm going to my function. I'm adding docstring. Basically, docstring is, it's a documentation. This is a function for converting dollar to for creating dollar to rupee value. Okay, it takes dollar as a parameter. Okay, clear. Now also this program will work. This program is simply, this function is working, but as soon as I do convert to help, so as a help convert to rupee, now it is saying what, this is a function for converting dollar to rupee value. It takes dollar as a parameter. Now this help method is able to give me much more information. So this is known as docstring, which is written inside triple single quote. Okay, I hope that it is clear, every one of you. Is it clear? Every one of you, please tell me in the chat right now. Okay, so can you guys please tell me in the chat right now, yes or a no? Yes or a no? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, docstring is clear. DOCSTRING, docstring. Write down this in the chat if you guys are very clear about it. Okay, we will, it is actually used in the help method. Okay, so that's one major thing which you all should be knowing. Okay, now we are done with function declaration. Okay, new function name is done, parameter is done, return statement is done, docstring is done. Okay, now, but what if you actually want to send n number of parameters to your function? What if you want to send n number of parameters to the function? Okay, there is one super tool known as star ARGS and double star KWARGS. Okay, so that is one simple concept out there. That's your homework. Okay, your homework is, I'm writing down, understand how star ARGS and double star KWARGS works in Python functions. Okay, this is the homework for you all. Assignment day 4. It's easy, it's not at all difficult. If you are able to understand this, you will be able to do it. Okay, it's super easy. If you're not able to do it, I will tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow is any which ways, if I don't hit 300 numbers, it's going to be the last day. So tomorrow I will tell you for sure. Okay, okay, so just make sure that we hit 300 people, guys, or else tomorrow will be the last day. Okay, so tell me in the chat if you guys want many more classes. Then I need 300 people watching this for sure today. Okay, now we are done with one more concept, that is functions. Okay, are you guys confident about functions? A little bit confident, a little bit confident. Okay, yes or a no? Please sir. I need this thing. Sonia Mehta is saying repeat file handling. Okay, tomorrow there is gonna be a project, by the way, but if I get 300 students today, I'll 100% do 6 days. Okay, so okay, I hope that you guys have learned something today that is very much valuable stuff. Okay, so are you guys confident? Yes, you're confident. Good. Now the next thing is module. Okay, the next thing which we have to learn today is modules. Okay, now what do you actually mean by modules? Okay, what do you guys actually mean by modules? So please tell me in the chat, module का मतलब क्या है? Okay, what do you mean by modules? Modules, MODULES. Okay, just go Google it out and give me the answer. Let me wait for 1 minute for best answers. 1 minute timer. So let me just wait for the best answers. So here I go with my 1 minute timer. Import ठीक है, वो मैं बताऊंगा. ठीक है. Priyanshi is saying ready-made code, but just go Google out and give me the answer in the chat, right? What do you mean by modules? Okay, by the way, do you guys actually want an extension to this Python class, and do you guys want a Python bootcamp of 30 or 35 hours? So please tell me in the chat, but that will be a paid program. So I need 2 answers from you guys. Do you guys need a Python bootcamp program? If you need a Python bootcamp program, how much money are you guys willing to spend for that? Okay, so let's say the maximum amount is 2000 rupees, and minimum is near about, let's say 1000 to 2000, in that range you need to tell, because it's 35 hours content. So I need you guys to tell me. Okay, so we want free class. Yeah, how? I mean, you guys see, 100% I understand free classes are good, but if you need to manage a team of like 50 people and a team of like so many servers out there, you need to spend a lot of money. I spend near about 3 lakh rupees on server every month. If 3 lakh rupees need to be paid, then someone has to pay something, right? So think of that. I would love to teach everything for free on YouTube. I am one of the fans with that. But at sometimes you need to monetize it so that you can run this mission. So if you want this free classes of at least introduction are there for forever free, then we need to do that paid wala stuff. So I hope that it's clear to you all. Someone is saying 1500 rupees for 30 hours of content is okay. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. What is ad earnings? We don't run any ad till date. Did you see any kind of ad on YouTube? Never you will find. So what is continue? Rakesh. Okay, fine. So see, most of you guys have actually pasted the answer from Google. Good. Modules are simply files with .py extension containing Python code that can be imported inside another Python program. Exactly right. I don't know how to copy that and paste it here, but yes, that's the answer. Now, there is a specific place to actually find out all the modules in Python. Okay, so one of the specific place where you can actually go ahead and find out all the modules is pypy. Okay, pypi uh, pypi.org. Okay, pypi.org. You can see at the bottom of the screen also, and at the top of the screen also, pypi.org is the place where you have got near about 3,97,536 projects which have basically these many modules are available for us to actually go ahead and download. So let's try getting one of the project can be let's try getting XLRD. Okay, XLRD is one of my favorite tool. Okay, so now see, XLRD is library for developers to extract data from Microsoft Excel legacy spreadsheet, that is XLS. Okay, let's create a XLS file. Okay, sheet.new. Let's create a XLS file and let's get the power of reading from a Excel in our Python. Is it clear? Okay, is it clear? So let's write down few students name. Okay, give me in the chat, every one of you, your name, your name and how much money should we spend for the bootcamp. Okay, so let's write it down. Python bootcamp data. Okay, let's create. So for example, Sanket, I'm just creating this sheet for two purposes. Sanket saying 1,000 rupees, ANSHU Anshu is saying 3,000 rupees. यार इतना जल्दी जल्दी तुम लोग भेज रहे हो यार. यहाँ पे वसंत कुमार, he's saying let's say 2,000. Aditya is saying 2,000. Okay, Jay, this is my, let's say this is some kind of data, and Hassan 3,000. ये क्या चंदा दे रहे हो क्या बे तुम लोग गणपति का? Okay, what is what? Okay, fine. So these many people, it's okay. Now let's just go ahead and, sorry, I'm not able to type everyone's name, but yep, 100% I'll do it someday. Now I'm just going ahead and I'm pasting this, I'm downloading this XLS. I'm opening our Python Google Colab and I'm uploading this file. Okay, so see, now this file is here. Now after this file is here, what we are going to do, you know what exactly we're gonna do? We are exactly gonna actually get this XLRD. So I'll copy this XLRD. PIP is basically a command to install modules or like install libraries in your code. Okay, so to install a library, what I'll do, I'll just use exclamation mark and PIP install XLRD. As soon as I run this, you will see this particular thing is getting installed in our Google Colab. I'm using this exclamation mark because in notebook environment you need this exclamation mark in front of the PIP command. But in case of terminal, I just need to open terminal and let's say if I want to install that PIP wala stuff na, so PIP install XLRD. Okay, so I have PIP3, not PIP. So PIP3 install XLRD. You are seeing that it's upgraded. Okay, a new release successfully installed. Clear? Done. So that's how actually you can install PIP stuff in your Python code base. Got it? So PIP is to get all the libraries which are out there available and you can use it. Now the next thing which I'm gonna do is I'll copy this path. I'll go to this and I'll refer to the documentation. So as per the documentation, let me just copy this whole at once and I'll use it one by one. Okay, so I just want to comment this whole thing. Okay, so first thing is import XLRD2. Okay, so this import XLRD2 is basically importing our library which we have installed. Okay, clear? Okay, is it clear, every one of you? Hey, Rohit Datta is asking one question here in the chat. What is continue function? Please give one example. I don't know what is continue function. I don't think there is. Let me just clarify before I say anything, because continue function in Python, continue keyword is there, but there is no such thing known as continue function. Okay, so Rohit, there is nothing like that. I never read something like that. So I hope that you are clear with this. Now let's just again use help here, help XLRD2. Okay, as soon as you do help XLRD2, see this much of documentation is there. Itna sara doc string hai. See where it is installed, what it is installed, sab दुनियादारी सब दे दिया. Okay, so see, is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, so import XLRD is clear, right? So I'll just go, then we'll go next step. So this is the way how we actually can use this, but okay, I'll just go and copy. I'll delete this thing here. I don't need this whole part. Okay, book is equal to xlrd2 dot open. Instead of my Excel file, I need to give the XLS file. So I'll just go copy the path. I'll paste it here and I'll run. Is this running? Yes, it's running. It's running very well. Okay, now as soon as this is done, I'll again go and refer to the worksheet. Let's take sh is equal to worksheet. Okay, so ये क्या हो रहा है ना? This is a code base which is written by someone, but we are able to use it and start. I'm just trying to get this one cell value. Okay, so from 0 0 I want to get 0 0 value. So 0 0 value is Sanket. Is it right? Yes, 0 0 we have Sanket. Okay, now what is this? This is 6. Instead of 6, what it will be? 5, and instead of b it will be 1. So if I have to get this 3500, what I will do, I will actually go ahead and I will write this as row 5 and column number 1. Okay, now it should give 3500. Okay, is it fine? Are we guys having the power? समझ नहीं आ रहा, कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry, I will again start. Okay, is it, how many people is it clear? Is it clear for how many people? Please tell me. I'll start again, don't worry. So see, I have not done anything rocket science. अपन ने XLRD install किया. We have installed XLRD. Yes or no? Have we installed XLRD? So please see me in my eyes and type it in the chat. Yes or no? XLRD, import XLRD. Okay, sorry, installed XLRD using pip install XLRD2, whichever the name was. Clear? Okay, now second thing is import XLRD. Okay, you are importing this particular module into your program. Okay, are we clear? That's now we have just taken one variable. The variable name is book. Okay, XLRD2, that's function, that's the module name. Open workbook is a by default inbuilt function of the module. ये इनबिल्ट फंक्शन है, ये बनाया है, अपन ने यहाँ से कॉपी किया. Okay, I have just copied it from here. I have not made it myself. ये already बनाया हुआ है and code में है. Okay, we are just using it. Okay, and we gave the path of the Excel. Okay, after this we gave sh is equal to sheet. Which sheet? Okay, sheet, because in your Excel file, this is a workbook. In this workbook you have sheet, right? This is sheet number 1. See, sheet number 1. So that's what we actually got here. Okay, sh is equal to book, sheet by index is 0. Are we guys clear? Okay, okay, that's the thing. Now sh, basically this, now it will be sheet dot cell value is again a inbuilt method. अगर तुम्हें कोई सेल की वैल्यू चाहिए, if you need some cells value, you use this cell value and you particularly pass this row and column. And if you pass this row and column, oh sorry, I need to have this row x, column x. Okay, row x, column. What happened, bro? Okay, I need to just run this and then run this. I think without this row x also it can work by default. एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं. रो और कॉलम है. हाँ देखो, रो और कॉलम दिया अपन ने. रो दिया, कॉलम नंबर दिया, तो इसके वी जस्ट गेव रो एंड कॉलम, इट इज प्रिंटिंग संकेत. नाउ वी गेव अगेन रो एंड कॉलम लाइक 5 1, it is giving this. So if you have to print all the rows which are available, what you will do, there is one function out here. अगर आपको सारे ये चीज़ करने हैं ना, so see देखो, this is okay, it has got this particular function. See, let's run this. Instead of sh, you need to do sheet. So see, it's saying okay, row Sanket number this, Anshu number 3000, Vasant Kumar 2000. So we have now the power of reading. Ab samajh gaya. Good. Now that's what I wanted to hear from you all. So ये inbuilt functions है यार, ये inbuilt functions है जो ये module में है. Now this is the power of using modules. Okay, when you import certain projects, right? अपने पास पहले capacity नहीं था कि अपन Excel sheet पढ़े. Okay, we can read Excel directly in Python. There was no capacity. But now because of this XLRD2, किसी ने कहीं पे ये project बनाया. Now we are able to use it. Okay. So can we print the whole Excel sheet? Yes, that's what we are doing, bro. That's what we are doing right now here. We have printed the whole Excel sheet. Okay, so exactly we can do that same thing. Okay, is it clear? Okay, I hope you guys are fully clear of this thing. And that's it for today's class. One last time, how to mark your attendance in your particular video. You will see this particular link in the description. Click on the link. This whole web app will open, and you just have to go on day 4 and mark your attendance. I have already marked my attendance. You have to give 10 on 10 because that's my rating. And if you don't give 10, then I don't know what I'll do. Okay, so okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you guys are clear about it. And okay, so continue कीवर्ड के बारे में क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, बट आई विल सॉल्व इट टुमारो. मुझे पता है ब्रेक कंटिन्यू वाला चीज़ यू आर मेंशनिंग रोहित, बट लेट्स सी टुमारो. आई हैव गॉट इट हियर इन माय, देयर इज, I have got notes. Break, pass, continue. Okay, break, what break does, what continue does, and what pass does. Okay, I'll teach this tomorrow because it's already 9 and this person have shut down the AC. That means it's a visual. It's like virtually it's an indication for me to like, भाई खत्म करो, घर जाना है सबको, ठीक है. So I'll 100% teach it tomorrow, Rohit. This is my commitment to you. Okay, and tomorrow, guys, we have some kind of game to be done. We will learn that which particular game we should build. So please take. Sir, take one extra day. 100% I'll try, but tomorrow I need at least 250 people watching me live. If I get 250 tomorrow, I will for sure take one more extra day. Okay, 250 is the deal. Okay, 250 is the deal. I also want to teach you guys. I love you guys. I want to teach, but I need 250 at least. That's the challenge. Okay, अगर 250 आया तो मैं पक्का पढ़ाऊँगा एक और दिन एक्स्ट्रा. चलो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे. टुडे नो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक, नथिंग. आई जस्ट हैव टू रन. भागना है मुझे, ठीक है. सो आई विल स्टार्ट रनिंग नाउ बिकॉज आई एम ऑलरेडी लेट, सुपर लेट. चलो bye guys, take care, have a nice day, and very soon we are coming up with project building sessions, exclusive project building sessions, in which we will build applications like Tinder, Facebook clones, and so many other things. Very soon it's coming up. Let's see how you guys react to that. Okay, chalo bye bye, take care, have a nice day, and